So once you have your zip folder unzipped, you'll have your folder with all the program contents. I have an installer. You double click that, you run that. Of course, it works as most installers do. You have an icon that will execute the program. First time you run it, you're going to need your product key. Should only have to be entered in once. This one's already been entered in. So the program should just open, and I already have a project created, demo, and that's your research. What happens is when you first run the program, you're not going to have a project. It's all going to be grayed out here. You're going to have to create that. This is for your research. Anything that you're studying that you would like to apply for a project, it can be set up here. Any subject that pertains. Anytime you need to add one, you can. If you need to clear it, that's fine. You can create, remove subjects, change those. The archives, that actually has to do with the activities here. When you load the program, you'll see the first tab is called activities, and that is more of a journaling tab where you track your day's activities. Of course, you see you do have a date stamped there, so it can be searched later. These right here are the subject material that you're going to be studying, and when you press index now, you'll have the ability to create a table of contents. Switching the view, this goes into your project mode. This is basically everyday objects you're going to be working with, any project material that's created each day. Some of the subjects may be paralleled with the research view, or they may not. A lot of times you might do real world examples for these tabs. Of course, these are very generic with demo 2, demo 3, but this is just to give you an idea as to what the program looks like and how it's to be used. So you create your table of contents as I was showing earlier. I'm just going to create one root item there, and if you'd like, you can set up as a tree hierarchy. You can do sub items, of course, as many times as you would like. Those can always be renamed and deleted. You can change the order, you can insert it, or you can append it to the end. If you'd like to create another root one, simply don't click on anything, put your name, its position in the tree, and you go ahead and create that, and it's created. Just to show you an example, I'm going to move this down to the bottom here. Eventually the file is going to grow pretty big, and you turn off your edit, and when you click on table of contents, it'll link you there just as if it was a web page. Now if you'd like to make your work a web page, you can export it. It's going to create HTML file. You simply select the destination, save it. It'll be created as a home.html. I'm going to open the web page here, give you an idea as to what it looks like, and if it'll ever load, you'll see. There it is. Of course, it's not really pretty to look at. There's not much written in there. Looks pretty much just like the program. You have your two views as well. Table of contents will work just the same way. And that's what the program is.